Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I went ahead and filmed my first ever talk through makeup tutorial on this look here. It was kind of interesting talking to the camera like while doing all of my makeup, so it's a little bit rough probably to watch, but if you'd be interested to see how I created this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So did you fart? It smells like shit. You're so nasty. So I honestly don't even know what I look I'm filming right now. I don't really plan that stuff out. Like I have like a general idea or something, but I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna start with taking shade base and applying that all over. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take Incense and just buff that right into the crease. I just wanna see the light. Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just wanna see the light. Okay, so I think I kind of know the direction I want to go now that I thought about it for 2 seconds. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and dip into Soul with this flat, dense brush. And I'm going to try to carve out like a cut crease moment, but I'm going to connect, like, y'all see. Or maybe not. Maybe it's going to turn out horrid. Starting right in my crease, but I'm gonna go ahead and carve it out later too. And I kind of want this to be more purpley, so I'm going to go ahead and take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And it might be more blue. More blue or more purple? Probably more purple. We'll just do both. So even if it makes me blind, I just want to see the light. Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just want to see the light. We're going to go ahead and carve it out with some concealer. Even if it makes me blind, I just want to see the light. Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just want to see the light. So I think I'm gonna take white
and pack white onto the lid. It's like a straight up white eyeshadow because I think that'll be okay. So I'm gonna go back into the Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm gonna dip into this shade right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take whatever residual concealer I have on this brush still, and I'm just gonna sharpen that. I'm going to jump into my Moonchild eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go into Blue Moon and Purple Horseshoe. This one is in shade Distortion. It's like a white iridescent little one. So I went ahead and did the other eye off camera. And now it's time for the face. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by priming my face. Nothing else needs to fall. Okay, so lately I've been using the No Problem face primer. And it's pretty good. I just wanna see the light. Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just wanna see the light. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Makeup Revolution Dragon's Blood Liquid Highlighter Illuminating Liquid Drops. Doing that. See, like, look, it doesn't really come out of this well. I think it dries or something, because I'm like, nothing's coming out. So I'm gonna get out as much as I can and try to distribute that. See, what the hell? Literally, I'm squeezing this. Oh my god, is there fucking... Stop. I don't know if that's my hair or not, but there was definitely hair in there. It looks like wet. I don't know. Oh, okay, that one had like a little bit. I don't know. Well, we're just gonna test this. Come on. Hopefully it's not a lot though, because I don't want like a lot. Come on. Is it coming? It's coming. Hold on. Is it just thick? Well, at least we got some, and that's kind of working. So I'm going to conceal with the Makeup Revolution concealer in C1. I literally use this concealer for everything.
Wanna see the light, even if it makes me blind. I just wanna see the light. Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just wanna see the light.
My Hoola bronzer and this whack ass brush that I've had for like forever. I don't even know where it's from. What brand? Do you see literally the hairs? Can y'all see that? I don't know if you can see. Anyways, there's like hairs sticking up everywhere.
I just wanna see the light.
I got the new Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo and Pomegranate. This actually hasn't launched yet, but it's so cute. I don't know when I'm uploading this video, by the way, so it might be out by the time that this video might be up by the time that this launches. So, but it's coming soon, but it's so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put down my Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek little highlighter by ColourPop, and I just use my fingers to apply this.
I just wanna see the light. Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just wanna see the light. Even if it makes me blind, I just wanna see the light. Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just wanna see the light.
Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Morphe M510 little highlighting brush. I think I'm gonna dip into more Moonchild, because why not? I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Purple Horseshoe, Blue Moon, and Star. Like, I'm just gonna mix with all of these. So going back in, I literally almost dropped it again. I can't. I'm going right into Soul. So now it's time for lips. Okay, so before I do my lipstick or whatever, I always like to use like a little bit of lip scrub.
Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just wanna see the light. Even if it makes me blind, I just wanna see the light.
Let's see.
Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see the light.
Okay, so does anybody remember like 15 years ago whenever I was supposed to highlight this and I didn't? Like whenever this is all messed up, I literally... Ooh, and I need to highlight the inner corner. So I'm gonna go into this one. So I'm going back into Moonchild and taking Blue Eyes. Get out!